What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some other examples regarding quotient property of nth root. First example I have here is cube root of 24a to the power of 7 divided by b to the power of 3. If you want to answer that, first of all you need to separate these two because the variables are different. Then you can say that 24, you can change it to a times 3. And a to the power of 7, you can change it to a to the power of 6 times a. And then cube root of b to the power of 3 is going to be just b. Then cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of a to the power of 6 is a to the power of 2. And here we have cube root of 3a, that's what's remaining, divided by b. This is the final answer. Next example is cube root of x to the power of 8 divided by 48 y to the power of 10. The answer will be since their variables are different, we need to separate them. And then x to the power of 8, I change it to x to the power of 6 times x to the power of 2. And here 48, that's equals to 8 times 6, let's say. So we change it to 8 times 6. And y to the power of 10 is y to the power of 9 times y. Then, again, we separate them. The cube root of x to the power of 6 is x squared. And then we will have cube root of x squared. Then, cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of y to the power of 9 is y to the power of 3. And then we have cube root of 6y. Next example is cube root of 40x to the power of 3 divided by y. That change it to, answer is, we separate it first, 40 x to the power of 3 cube root of y. 40 is 8 times 5, x to the power of 3 cube root. This makes it 2, and here it will be x, and then we have cube root of 5 divided by cube root of y. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos and playlists regarding different topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.